Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna do a quick little video here today explaining what we paid for our V1000. I've had several people ask, hey man, what was the total cost? How'd you get it here? So just gonna do a short little video explaining how we did it. First off, if you want to order the machine direct, just go to Alibaba website, or they got an app. Look up direct on there, just search V1000. They'll pop up everywhere. Look for direct. You can talk to Dean's son, or they have several other salespeople you can talk to. Dean is probably one of the most known right now, I would say. So anyways, once you're on Alibaba, once you've contacted direct, once you're talking to your salesperson, if you do talk to Dean, Dean and I have spoke, and he has agreed to offer customers a discount by mentioning our YouTube page, Soki Garage. If you let him know you learned about direct from our YouTube page, he's going to offer you a discount. How much of a discount? That's going to depend on what you order. That's going to depend, whether you order a machine or just attachments. He'll decide the amount of the discount. So I can't give you that information, but mention our channel, Soki Garage, and he'll take care of you on that. But anyways, once you're on Alibaba, you're talking to Dean, you've mentioned the channel, you've got your discount locked in. You tell him what you want. You pick out the machine. You decide if you want the Kubota diesel or the Perkins diesel. You decide what attachments you want, and then you're ready to know the cost. So let's say you're just going to buy a machine only. The price of the V1000, regardless if it's a Kubota engine or a Perkins, the price of the machine is $9,300. The price for shipping is going to vary on your location in the United States, or if you're out of the United States. I'm on the East Coast, Central East Coast, so this machine shipping was $3,470 just for machine only. And that machine was brought in on the West Coast in California. So shipping could have been a lot less, I guess, if I was on the West Coast, I would think, but I don't know that to be for sure. But anyways, shipping is going to vary depending on your location. Understand that. But the cost of the machine is $9,300. Tariffs, don't listen to anybody say you're going to pay 90 to 100% or 50% tariffs markup. I've already talked to Dean as of last night and confirmed there is no price increase. They have figured out a way to eat those costs on their end. I'm sure they're paying them, but they're not passing them along. So again, I confirmed that with Dean just last night. Can't say that won't change in the future, but as of now, the prices I'm giving you are still good. Now, what I paid when I bought my machine, I ordered the V1000 with a Kubota diesel. I also ordered all the counterweights I could get. I ordered a grapple bucket, a set of pallet forks as well. So this is my cost, what I paid, the breakdown. I paid $9,300 for the machine. I paid $230 for the counterweights. I paid $440 for the grapple bucket. I paid $220 for the pallet forks. And the total freight on all that was $4,100. So the total price shipped from China at the direct factory to my door was $14,290. That's total money. When ordering, make sure you request DDP shipping, and that will be all fees included. If you do not do DDP shipping, you may be responsible for picking the machine up at port and importing it yourself, and you don't want to do that. That's when you'll get into some crazy fees. Just pay for DDP up front. That way you know the total cost up front. That's my recommendation. That's what I paid for my machine, and again, those prices are still good as of right now. So get on there, contact Dean, mention Soki Garage YouTube channel. He'll hook you up with a little discount, and that's how you can get you a direct V1000. Now, that is buying direct. So you save money buying direct, but you do have to wait. You can purchase these machines already in the U.S. from dealers. There are a few out there that I've heard of. I've never talked to one of them. Their going prices are around $16,000, $17,000, $18,000. Typically, that is machine only. So you can see the savings. I got my machine with some attachments for almost $14,000 even. You're not going to buy this machine from a dealer in the U.S. for 14 grand without attachments. So there is savings buying direct, but there's also hassle buying direct. Again, understand if I have an issue, I have to contact direct myself and deal with it. If you buy in the US and you have an issue, you contact the business you purchased it from and they'll take care of it. So there's benefits both ways. You make the decision that's better for you. If you're an impatient person, I wouldn't order from China. I would just go find my closest dealer, pay their profit or pay their markup, and get the machine right then. That's my opinion. There's no dealers close to me, and I am a patient person, so I bought direct. But you do whatever you think is the better option for you. But that's the breakdown total cost of this machine, how you can get one to your house for that price. And appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you in the next one.